Hello friends, welcome to the video. Here I am going to discuss one more very important problem related to non-homogeneous system. So let us see the problem. Find the values find the values of lambda and mu such that the system of equations here they are given equations 2x plus 3y plus 5z equals to 9, 7x plus 3y minus 2z equals to 8, and your third equation 2x plus 3y plus lambda z equals to mu has first condition unique solution, second no solution, third infinite number of solutions. So this is the given problem. So let's recall once. Find the values of lambda and mu such that the system of equations has unique solution, no solution, infinite number of solution. So they are given three special type of constants here, lambda and mu. So for what value of lambda and mu the system is giving unique solution or no solution or infinite number of solution. We need to discuss these cases. So many times in the examinations they will ask this type of problems. Means you need to discuss cases. What is case 1, case 2, case 3. Let us solve this problem in the as usual method. Solution. Let us write the augmented matrix of this. What is its augmented matrix? That is, first you write coefficient matrix. Coefficient of first equations, coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is 3, coefficient of z is 5. Then second equation 7, 3 minus 2. Third equation 2, 3 lambda and your constants 9, 8 mu. Now you go for as usual. Your intention is to reduce this matrix into echelon form. For that your operation R2 implies 2R2 minus 7R1, and your next row operation R3 implies R3 minus R1. So use these operations, then your matrix reduces to augmented matrix AB is equals to your first row elements as it is 2, 3, 5, 9. On second row you are using 2R2 minus 7R1. Then your second row elements becomes 0, minus 15, minus 39, minus 47. Then on third row use the operation R3 minus R1. Then your elements becomes 0, 0, lambda minus 5 and mu minus 9. Yeah, this is your matrix. Now it is almost like it is in echelon form, but here the problem is your third row contains lambda minus 5. So your third row contains lambda minus 5 and mu minus 9. Means to find rank of a matrix, so it is depending on two values. What is your lambda value and mu value? Suppose if you discuss the cases, if lambda value is 5, if lambda value is 5, then what is your rank of matrix A? If lambda is 5 means 5 minus 5 is 0, then rank of A is 2. Okay, then similarly if mu value is equals to 9, then 9 minus 9 is 0. Then if lambda value is 5 and mu value is 5, then rank of A is 2 and rank of AB is also 2, but the number of unknowns are 3. Hence the system is consistent and giving infinite number of solution. Then what is the first condition they are given? First condition is unique solution. So we need to discuss the case 1. Case 1 is unique solution. To get unique solution, your condition is rank of A equals to rank of AB equals to number of unknowns. So to get rank of A equals to rank of AB and equals to number of unknowns, what value you are substituting in place of lambda and mu? Here we can write clearly, if lambda value is not equals to 5 and whatever it may be the mu value, let us take mu is also not equals to 9, then in this case if lambda is not equals to 5 means what is the rank of matrix A? Rank of matrix A is 3, right? Rank of A is 3, then rank of AB is also 3 and n value is 3, number of unknowns. So in this case it is giving unique solution. Okay, in this case it is giving unique solution. Go for case 2. Case 2, what you need to discuss? No solution. No solution means you need to show that the system is inconsistent. To make inconsistent, use lambda value 0 and mu value is not equals to 9, right? If lambda equals to 0, then what is your rank of A? Rank of A is 2. If mu is not equals to 9, then rank of augmented matrix AB is 3. Hence rank of A is not equals to rank of AB. In this case rank of A is not equals to rank of AB. Hence the system is inconsistent and no solution. It's not giving any solution. Okay, go for the third case. Case 3. What is case 3? In case 3 you need to show it is giving infinite number of solution. Infinite number of solution condition is rank of A is equals to rank of AB, but it is less than n. So for that you make lambda value 0 and mu value 0. If lambda value 0 means what is your rank of matrix A? 2. If mu value is also 0, then rank of augmented matrix AB is also 2, but number of unknowns are 3. In this case it is giving infinite number of solutions. Okay, so So this is the procedure. So in place of lambda and mu, maybe they are giving some different notations like AB or XY or ZX PQ, whatever it may be. So for what value of given constants, so the system is giving unique solution, no solution, infinite number of solution. You need to discuss in detail. Okay. So in the same way, I'd like to give you one more problem. If possible, you please try to discuss the cases. So here I am giving you second problem for your work. Second problem is, directly I am writing here the equations: x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 6, x plus 3y plus 5z equals to 9, 2x plus 5y plus 2x plus 5y plus az equals to b. See, in previous problem they are given lambda and mu, but in this problem they are given a and b. Here in this case you need to discuss three cases. First case is no solution. Second case, unique solution. Unique solution. And your third case, infinite number of solution. Infinite number of solution. So like previous problem, you try to solve this problem and discuss for what values of a and b your system is giving unique solution, infinite number of solution, and no solution. Okay. Thank you for watching the video.